Hey everyone, we're gonna try an experiment to see if I can fix an issue that I've been having. So, as you can see, got my metal bender here and it's set up to do a very tight 90-degree bend, relatively simple. But the problem is if I'm trying to make a bunch of bends that are the same, I've got my my mark on my rod that I want, where I want my bend to occur. And then when you pull your handle through, what happens is that your rod actually gets pulled forward as the bend is being made. So you end up with the bend further back than you had wanted. So if you're going for a precise measurement here, this is going to end up shorter than you thought. So you might hear someone state, well, just put a clamp on this thing. So you put your C-clamp on your square block, and this works somewhat. So the problem with this is, I'm trying to bend round stock, and that just doesn't work that well when you're talking about a flat C-clamp. So we're going to modify this clamp in a manner that might actually help us here. Okay, so the plan here is to cut a piece of angle iron and weld that to my C-clamp, and then a piece of round stock will fit inside the angle, which will hold it much better than being on the flat. So first thing to do is to mark where my angle needs to sit, and we are doing this at an angle, not in line or parallel with the clamp. We need to offset this so that when we're trying to use this in the metal bender, it's not interfering with the workpiece. You'll see what I mean when we actually go to use this thing. So that's where we're going to score this so that that angle will sit in there while I weld it. And my plan for that is just to cut a small slot with the Dremel and then use a triangular file just to make a larger groove there. Okay, angle iron's in there, clamp down, and we're gonna tack this together. All right, well, we've got our offset clamp welded. Let's see what happens here. And something tells me I'm gonna need 2 hands for this. Don't go anywhere. All right, so the trick is, will that line remain precisely where it is on this bend? Let's find out. And you can see that metal is not moving, which is precisely what we're going for. And not bad. Went slightly over 90 there, but I mean, that mark is exactly where I want it. So yeah, I think we have a winner. I mean, it worked once, so point proven, right? I'll let you know if this doesn't work for some reason, but I think this is a good little, self-made clamp modification, and it's going to make my life a lot easier doing repeat bends. So hope that helps someone. Farewell.